Hey guys, what's happening? Nitzan Mosri, traveling investor. I'm here in Dallas, Texas. I spent the last 2 days at the IMN conference. I was a speaker on one of the panels, and now I'm here touring a 292 unit apartment complex in the northern part of Dallas. Beautiful property. You see this little river that runs behind it and whatnot. Uh, that's part of the asset as well, I believe. And right here behind me, garden style apartment complex. This property was built in the 70s and it's been renovated with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances and so forth. 33% of the units have yet to be upgraded. So now what we're doing is I'm walking the property. I just got the tour. I saw the interior of the units, and now I told the broker that I want to spend some time on my own walking the property and getting to know the property, getting to feel the property. And if you look, let me see if I can turn this around.